back to the channel. As you can see, I'm in the garage, and for the first time I have a cameraman. My son, he's on the camera today, so I can move about a little bit more freely than I normally do. But in the last video, I went to Florida. I got the car tuned, drove back, and I closed the video out. I didn't really do too much like POV. I can't because I don't have a device to strap the camera on my face or helmet or whatever, but I will get that. So today's video, I'm going to go over like a little overview of what is on the car, and then we're going to start it up, take it down the road, do a little bit of drive-by, give you a good idea what it sounds like. And the reason I'm doing that is I'm going to be doing some upgrades here in the very near future, and I want to have a baseline. But also I want a baseline for you that has been following along, so you can see where the car is at, what it sounds like, what it looks like going down the road. So let's go. The first thing we're going to talk about is under the hood, and my son doesn't really speak car, so I got a pointer so he can follow this red pointer wherever I go to keep, you know, in frame. All right, so first thing we want to talk about is the turbo. It is a precision Gen 1 6266 journal bearing paired with 3-inch downpipe, and I have the Powerhouse Racing cast style manifold. And if you remember on the dyno, I stated that the tuner didn't like that manifold so much, so he didn't want to push, you know, what the car was able to do. And again, I'm okay with it. The car made about 520 to the wheels, so roughly 570 to the crank, which is still not bad. As far as the engine, it's completely stock cams, stock internals, everything internal is stock. Moving over here, stock intake manifold. The only thing happened over here is I removed the throttle cable, and it's complete drive-by-wire. So this is completely stock set system right here. I have a radium fuel rail with fuel management solution 1300 cc injectors, 3-inch cold pipe on the intake side with the intake air temp sensor, which I have to have, as you can imagine. And over here I have an air motive fuel pressure regulator with a Titan pressure sensor for fuel pressure, and it goes down and connect to the flex fuel sensor, which is down here on this brown plug. You can't really see it that good, but it's connected directly underneath the fuel pressure regulator. I have a catch can from Powerhouse Racing that does nothing for performance, but it's there for breathing purposes. And I also am running the Powerhouse Racing big radiator, stock fan, stock shroud. Also over here, I'm running the Haltech 3-port boost solenoid, and the car is running about 19-20 pounds of boost, and like I said, it makes about 520 something to the wheels. As far as the exhaust, right after the downpipe, it goes straight into the HKS high flow. It looks like about 3.5-inch exhaust all the way back. It's not a loud muffler. This car is not loud. It hasn't been loud since it was stock, and with the twin turbos, it was a little more quiet. It got a little more loud with this setup, but it's not a loud car. So we're gonna start it up. It's a little rough on cold start because it's getting a little chilly here. And when I got the car tuned in Florida, it was warmer. So, and it also, you know, it was tuned in a warmer temperature. The fuel ethanol contact is different. So it's a little rough on startup, but that will get modified when I get the car redone and retuned. So we're gonna hit the road. Let's go. About to go hit the road. One thing I should note is this transmission is super clunky until it warms up. Like right now it's a little gritty and clunky. It has always been that way. And my clutch is even worse. It's an ORC Japanese style clutch, all metal, twin disc, and you can hear it. Super loud. I punched it first to second, and then the car just kind of went flat. But I just come and look, and the intake pipe has come loose from the throttle body. So unfortunately, I didn't bring any tools with me, so I'm not going to be able to adjust this. And turn the camera on. That's where I was going to do the launch and stuff like that. Just the big warehouse at the parking lot. But I'm probably going to have to go home and attempt to do this another time.